In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite Untrusted system file. The first step is you want to go to Epic Games and we want to find our Fortnite folder. So click here and go to Manage, click on Installation and not uninstall, but go to the folder right here. And once you're in the Fortnite folder, you want to go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Windows, and in here you'll have an easy anti-cheat folder. What you want to do is you want to delete this folder. And once you've deleted it, you want to come back here and press verify files. And this is going to reinstall your anti-cheat folder. Once you've done that, come here and search for Windows Update. Make sure you take the latest Windows Update and then head over to Device Manager. In here, display adapters, right click and update the driver to your GPU, as well as downloading your GPU software. Now you can just Google the name of your GPU and type software. And in my case, it's the NVIDIA one. So you want to go into that, and once you have the software, you also want to take the latest update in here. Now I can see I have an update for this one, so we don't want to wait for that. But inside of the app, there will be a driver button, and it should open up now, and then I'll show you. So here on the left side, you want to go to drivers, and then you just want to take the latest driver. There'll be a little download button up here, and you can basically do that. Now, once you've done all of this, just restart your PC and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.